Hi guys, welcome to Fun with Onision.
That's me!
Are you okay? I love you. Let's start it off with a shirt rip.
Not this shirt though, because I got it from Target. Nobody says that.
Yeah! I am YouTube! Ah!
No, we killed Mario!
Actually, no, because here's the rip shirt and here's the backup.
Go, Mario! Aww.
How am I supposed to explain this to Dobbs?
Dobbs, I ripped up both my Mario shirts, look.
Guys, if you didn't know, I'm a vaginitarian, which means I have no muscles whatsoever.
Wait, why do I sound like Rod Danger?
Shut up!
Shut up!
No, you shut up!
Shut up!
No, you shut up!
Shut up!
No, you shut up!
Pour some face paint! Let's put a smile on that face!
A giant bird just pooped on me. Look, I'm Perez Hilton.
Need some more purple.
Little bit of yellow.
Oh heck, maybe some more blue. Little bit of green for the hair.
Do I make you horny, baby? Do I? Yeah.
Time to dance! It's time for viewer comments. Losing it! I disagree! No! Sierra says, was anyone else distracted by Greg with his shirt off? Fugit! What's a fugit? Ah, what is this? What kind of vain tool has a wall with pictures of himself? This guy! Hey, I could be a supermodel!
Back it, baby. You looking good, yeah?
Am I pretty? You like music, bananas?
My name is Onision, banana geek playing new songs. Gather around and grab a seat. With banana power I drop this beat.